Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at iPhone 13 mini. What I have here is the red color. Alright, so let me show you the box first. So we have the Apple logo, iPhone on this side, another Apple logo, and iPhone on this side. And here's what it says on the back, and they have little thing you can peel off, one on top, one on the bottom. And here we go. And here we go with the phone. Wow, it's small, but it is a gorgeous phone. The red color really looks great on this phone. We got dual cameras, flash. I do love the straight edges. Now let's check the screen. And here we go. I do love this design of the iPhone. This is definitely my favorite design so far. On the right side, we have the power button. We also have this magnetic thing. I believe this is used for Apple Pencil. I never used it myself on the newer iPhones. And then here we go with the top. Here is the left side. We have that mute lever that you turn on and off. And then we have the volume rockers, and this is where the SIM card goes. Let's put the phone on this side and see what else comes inside the box. We have lightning cable to USB-C, so you do need to provide your own brick. And let's see what else is inside. We have that product red. We have SIM injector pin. We have a little bit more info, and we do get one sticker. So that's how the iPhone 13 mini looks and what comes inside the box. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.